sits over there and they're talking and he's pointing at the guy doing all over there. And then he just sits there and throws his mag in, so I just took him over to him. I was like, you guys are dumb. All right, there.
TTT round 1. Yeah, it's gonna break eventually.
So you guys can go anywhere you want in the map. Now, just so we're clear, if you knife kill somebody, the person who gets killed does not go, hey! And let everybody know. It's a silent kill. Once you guys are dead, walk back over to the black mat over there, stay over there.
That is awesome.
Because the second that the match is done, we're just going to redo the circle again and then just start it all over again.
That is so cool. Where did you get that?
This, you better scream as loud as you possibly can, because I want my location to be known if I get this close to you to use it. I'm going to be furious if I get this today.
I am going to be furious if you kill me with this.
Alrighty. Alright, you guys
can
amongst yourselves go out on the map.
No way.
Go.
That is so cool.
The game will start in 5.
No.
1.
If somebody's a sheriff, please deputize me. Okay. If you're the sheriff, come deputize me, please. What you reaching in your pocket for?
Here. Show me your card.
Can I come over?
Show me your card. Okay, you're on my team.
Can I come over?
Yep.
Okay, I'm coming.
Show me your card.
Cards in this pocket. Cards in this pocket.
Okay, you're on our team.
Yes.
Come to me.
Both of you.
You come this way. Come that way. Watch the Logan. Watch
Nope.
Logan on that way.
It's in my left hand pocket.
Get it yourself.
Go ahead. Grab it.
You're good.
All right.
Put your mag in.
Go up.
All right, that means everyone else is probably terrorists, right?
Right there,
Stay as a group, guys. Stay as a group. Stay as a group.
George, watch him. Come here. Come here. He's the sheriff.
Walk to me.
Walk, right there.
Walk to me.
Hit!
Far end, far end.
Call it.
Come to us. Come on.
Come on.
Let me see your card.
You see your card.
You, cover that way.
All right.
Are you with us?
Hold up.
Then George is probably a terrorist. Laser, laser, laser.
Come here.
Guy with shotgun.
Come here.
Shotgun.
George, if you are not a terrorist, report to me. He's hit.
Down.
Guy with the shotgun.
Hey, George, get over here with your card. We're not shooting at you, we're shooting at Logan. There he is. Hey, he's got a weapon out. Keep an eye on him, I don't trust him. Where'd he go? Purple room? That didn't sound good. Walk over to us. Logan and George are the other two terrorists. They're in this room. Police department! Purple room. Go to the purple room! Purple room! This is the only way he could have retreated. Bingo! If you feel any better, you did get my hand.